Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to host live video streaming in Telegram. Friends, if you want to do a live video streaming in Telegram app, then you simply need to open your Telegram channel. Now in your Telegram channel, you need to press on the name. Now here you will find live streaming option. Press on it. Now press on start live stream. Now to talk, you need to press on unmute. And to turn on camera you need to press on the camera icon. So friends, like this you can very easily host live video stream in Telegram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.